This International Women's Day, we hosted our first ever data science masterclasses at our home, The Catalyst. These special sessions were open to all women interested in learning more about data science. The 3 masterclasses were Introduction to Natural Language Processing with Dr. Hollie Johnson, Success with Data Science with Dr. Antonia Kontaratou, and Introduction to Data Visualisation with Louise Braithwaite MSc. We hope everyone who attended enjoyed the sessions and came away feeling inspired. The more women and girls we can encourage into data science, the better. Stay tuned for more events organised by the National Innovation Centre for Data coming soon.